One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Well, my name is Ruchi Kahan. I come from Tiradi.
Thank you very much, sir, for calling me on the stage and giving me this platinum chance to speak.
If you know public speaking, then you can connect the people, you can motivate the people, you can
Good evening to my respected teacher, and I wish you good evening to my dear friend. Well, this is Shweta front of you, and first of all, thank you so much, sir, for calling me here and giving me golden chance. And thank you so much, my dear friend, for being here and giving your precious time. And today I want to talk about teacher. Do you know, guys, what is teacher and what is importance of teacher in our life?
Stop comparing yourself with others. Come out, speak for yourself because you are the leader of your life. Now I want to tell.
Good evening, my respected teacher, and good evening, all of you. Well, my name is Gudiya Bharti. I am from Punjab. Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me on the stage and giving me this golden opportunity to speak.
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. I, you, everyone, I, you, hey you, you, this, that, he, she, I, you, everyone, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, all of you. I, everyone. We are Indian. We are Indian. We are excited. Exactly. Catch your hands on the hands, right? Exactly. Sure. Why not? Exactly. No. No chance. I, you. Good afternoon, everybody. I, you. Yes, you. No. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my God. Oh no. What? Why? How? Where? That. This. I. You. He, she. Everyone. Wow. Oh no. Finished. You can put your hands down there. Finished. So sad. a bad news. What a bad news. What a bad news. What a bad news. I am your friend. Your friend. I'm your friend. I'm your friend. You are my friend. You are my friend. You're my friend.